Hi everyone, so today I am showing you what I bought off of the Rose and Thistle Patisserie website. This is my second official order, and yeah, this is what the box looks like more or less. It's not showing any addresses and any of that information. And yeah, so when you get the box, you open it up. Obviously it's your order. When you open it up, you come to some pink tissue paper. It's all wrapped in pink tissue paper with the sticker logo on top, which looks like that. When you open it, you come to packing peanuts, and your order is mixed in with the packing peanuts. I ordered, within my order there are 10 items, and the first thing is this. This is a chocolate chip cookie, half an Easter egg, and the centre of this is chocolate chip cookies, obviously, and this cost me £4.75. I open it up, it just looks like that on the back, and that on the inside, that back. Like so, and this cost me around £4.75, less than £5 for sure. The next thing is this Palmer Violets bar, and it's got 2 shades of purple, and you get 5 segments. And in this one, it is a classic Palmer Violet fragrance oil enhanced with fragrant heliotrope, rose, lily, iris and a hint of spice. So yeah, I'll definitely be burning that a lot as well. I also got another bar, but in very cherry, so you've got red and white. Actually the red's mixed in with the white. It looks just like that. Very sparkly as well. This one has sparkles on, yeah. That one had sparkles on as well, sorry, but I didn't show you. The scent of this one is just plain cherry. Prices and anything will be in the description down below. The next one is a 1 ounce pot, and this is in the scent Blossoming Cherries, Hexal, Cinnamon, all very long scientific keywords. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and the scent of this one is Blossom and Cherries. This is the 1 ounce pot, costing £1.20. The next one is a Snap bar, and this is in Bramble Bubbles, and the scent of this one is blackberry, bergamot, citrus and frankincense, and it just looks like that. I like that one because it's purple and silver, so of course I'd really like that. Oh dear, this one came open. And yeah, so the next one is this one, another 1 ounce pot. I like how it has Mickey sequins in it as well. It smells absolutely amazing. And the scent of this one is pretty much jam tarts, and the name is Queen of Tarts. And there you go. There's that one. The next one is, excuse my pronunciation, but Dia de los Muertos. Don't know how to pronounce things. But this is a sharp, zesty lime sherbet lime. If you don't know me, I do love my sherbet, I do love my lime, especially when it's in Pepsi. And yeah, this is just another piece of a snack bar, and it's got a few stars in this time. I do love lime, I really do. And I like how they include glitter in the waxes as well, because most waxes you don't get glitter, and it smells absolutely amazing. Yeah, so yeah. The next thing is this. This is called Devilishly Handsome. This has mandarin orange, bergamot, coriander, the writing's so tiny I can't even see, pot shawl, lavender, cedar cotton candy. And yeah, I know Sagan would love this because it's got lavender in it. It is that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so second to last things now. And this is a 2-ounce pot of Violetta. And it's again just Parma violets. Just be careful because the glitter sometimes falls off this. And it just looks like that. Really pretty. And it's exactly what I mean, the glitter falls out. So it's a gradient from dark purple to light purple. And if you want to see more in-depth pictures, then please follow my Instagram, the_Amelia_life. And you will have to request me because my Instagram's on private because people were using my pictures, photoshopping those pictures and using them as their own. And yeah, so this one's about £2–3, more edging towards £3 something, £2.75. Don't know why, but that price just came into my head. And yeah, you don't have to follow my Instagram, it's just if you want to see more in-depth examples of these and how they work. The last one is this one, and it's a bunny duo in yuzu. Now, I am a huge fan of Lush, and nothing beats Plum Rain, but another scent that I absolutely love that isn't Snow Fairy. Everyone loves a good Snow Fairy and Plum Rain, but the odd scent that I like from Lush is yuzu and cocoa, and this is in the same scent, so I'm guessing well, that's great. Anyway, so I'll wash that off in a second, but yeah, this is 2 bunnies in the Lush Dupe yuzu, and contains the lemonade. Put them up here. I'll get one out if I can. If not, then I'm sorry. Yeah, this is what they look like. Really pretty. I ordered these as well. That's nice. I can smell some lemon, so they're very citrusy. And yeah, so that's all my order from the Rose and Thistle Patisserie. I'm going to wash my elbow because I sneezed on it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!